going on a trip, London, Paris, Milan. Sounds fabulous, but there's no checked baggage. That means my carry-on and my wardrobe has to keep me going through the whole trip and be easy and fit perfectly in the carry-on. My outfits are so amazing because they work together, they mix and match my tops and my bottoms, my dresses, that it all coordinates and allows me to have an easy, functional, but chic trip. I don't want to be that girl tugging a bag that's too heavy. I want to be the girl that's got it all together. So let's start. You must have an over-the-top dress, always. I love the whole crochet and the beading and the jewels, amazing. And I know I will stand out in this. Then I need a simple, easy dress that I can wear on the weekends. I can wear it casual, I can put sneakers on with it, I can wear it over a bathing suit, just so much versatility in this amazing linen dress. The ultimate pant is exactly that, the ultimate pant. I can wear this with sneakers, I can wear it with heels, I can dress it up. I will always look chic and sophisticated in a simple black knit pant. Elastic waist makes it so exceptional. Fashion bottom. I love the fact that this is twill and this bright red color. It's so amazing for the summer. Your relaxed jean, because this jean I can dress up with heels and wear it at night, but I can also wear it during the day and get so much functionality out of it. Tops. And I really balance my tops from some core tops to over the top. Boston Proper has this in multiple colors this summer season. I love the fact that I can wear it with the ultimate pant, but I can also wear it with my jeans, my date night top. I can wear it with my jeans, also the ultimate pant. And one of the new color combinations that I'm loving is sesame and red. So this, back to my twill pant, is gonna really make sure that I'm looking chic and polished during the day. Love a t-shirt with some bling, because a girl's gotta shine all the time. You guys, the bustier is happening. It doesn't matter what age you are, you can rock a bustier. If I pair this back to the red twill, wow. Okay, so 3 shoes. That's a challenge. I need a flat, I need a sneaker, and I need a heel. Sounds easy, right? But they all have to go with all the different pieces in my wardrobe. So I chose a tortoiseshell wedge. I love the fact that I can dress this up or I can wear it casual. Girls, you're gonna be walking all the time, especially when you're in Europe and you're shopping. So a great sneaker is amazing. Flat. I love the fact that this flat is over the top with some rhinestones, and the ruffle raffia makes it really a comfortable but functional shoe. 2 swimsuits. And why 2, you might ask? Well, I love the fact that a bikini in this crochet fabric is amazing, and I will rock this. I love the fact that I can wear it with my dress as a cover-up. It works so well together. There are days where this girl ain't wearing a bikini, and that's why I have Boston Proper's Carmen Montalvo Swim Sense separates in olive, the color of the season for swim. It's not in your wardrobe, you're gonna have to buy it, but it's so sensational. So when I'm wearing a more covered up swim look, I'm doing it in a chic way with the color of the season. And my last piece is a great necklace that I can wear with all of the outfits that I rock. I'm so excited to be able to pack this all in one suitcase, a carry-on. I've got functionality because I can mix and match, and I know that I am going to own the room no matter where I am and what I've got on when I'm wearing Boston Proper.